Welcome, community. In Qigong, we know the whole universe resides within. We have access to all information when we harmonize and connect. For those unfamiliar, I'm Bree. I train the paranormal abilities within myself through Qigong training, and I see no separation in this path of self-mastery and the path of healing our distortions. Subscribe to the channel to enjoy valuable free content and check the description for more opportunities. Now I want to share with you a powerful demonstration of getting answers from the higher self. Often we think of getting guidance from our higher self in an abstract, unquantifiable way, but here now I'm going to show you a very quantifiable and practical example. I was in Athens, Greece, attending some training with Master Senteris. Now, the short recording I'm about to share with you is in Greek language. It was a class for Greeks only, so I was very fortunate to be received there. I didn't feel the language as a problem for me. There's always an exchange of information being sent and received on a much deeper level. And for all the technicalities that did require language, my dear friend Vivi, Master Senteris' wife, supported me with that. So after we had finished the training of blowing out candles with the third eye, yes, there were many great trainings in my time there. Anyway, we were packing away the tea light candles, collecting them and taking them up to Master Senteris' desk. Then I noticed everyone had gathered around because he was showing us something. He had lined up 8 of the tea light candles in a row on his desk, and someone hid something under one of them while he had his back turned away, not watching. Then he turned around and identified under which candle the object was, and he was correct. Then we asked him, "How do you know? What is your method of knowing this?" His response was that he asked his helper, he asked his higher self, which one is the object under? And his higher self told him it's under the 7th one.
Πού το κρύψανε και μου λέει αφήστε εδώ το κουμπάλι. Ή μπορώ να πω από το 1 μέχρι το 8, λέω πού το κουμπάλι μου λέει στο 7, θα μου πει στο 7.
Ποιος το βοηθός?
Ο ανώτερος αυτός σου.
Το βοηθά θέλουμε.
Ο ανώτερος αυτός σου.
I hope this video has offered some inspiration for connecting to that all-knowing place within, that is within all of us. We can all ask a question, a clear, direct question, and we can all receive an answer from within. But will we? Will we put aside all else and listen? Sending you abundant chi for perfect harmony. Haula.